Welcome to online classes. Today we will start with our third chapter, constants, variables and data types in C language. C language use various definitions that are already present or various keywords that are already present. In this chapter we'll study about those. What are data types and what are variables, how the variables are defined, and what are the values that are already present and given. Constants. A constant in a C is a quality that does not change. As the name suggests, it doesn't change. The alphabets, numbers and special characters, when properly combined in expression, then it changes its form to constants. As in this example, you see y is equal to 3.6 into x plus 8.3. It means you cannot change the value 3.6 and 8.3 because it's already defined in this expression. Okay? If you are expressing y into x, or the y is equal to 3.6 into x plus 8.3, it will remain the same. That is constant. Different types of constants. Two types, numeric and character. Numeric, as the name suggests, integer values. Integer constants and real constants. Integer means that the value is minus to positive, whatever the sequence should be. But when we're talking about points, decimals, there we call them real constants or floating values. Okay, then character constant, two types, string constant and single character constant. Numeric constant can be positive, a digit or a sequence. Alright, the value is not going to change, it's numeric. You are going to use those options plus, minus, into for mathematical purposes. Those are called numeric constants. Plus 23, the value is not going to change. Okay, and then floating point values, character constant. Now this is important. As we have studied that C language is basically works with both middle and high level languages, and it is basically driven from ASCII character set. The values of special characters like A, B, C, value of small a, b, c are already defined by ASCII values. If you look at this program, the values are different. See, now if you look at this program, we started with main character x. You can give any variable with character data type, integer, again integer, numbers data type. Now in C you can define or assign one value to another. For example, in here x is equal to y, the value of character is assigned into integer data type, and this is completely okay with C language, and this is allowed. We say that value of x is a, capital A, then y is equal to x. When you print out the same value using a character output %C and an integer output, this will give you the value in here 65. Okay, now C is case sensitive, correct? If I put small a in here, compile and then run, the value changes 97. Let's say O, compile and run, value changes. So always remember C is case sensitive. You can give or assign values to another variables. Now string constants. String constants are those which are denoted by double quotations or say \0, a null value. Types of C variables. Different types. Invalid and character types, we will study about these. Delimiters. Basically these are basic keywords that you can use within different data types. Run is not corrected, it's invalid. Area, name, city, they're already defined. You cannot reuse them within your own ideas. Delimiters. Delimiters are those symbols or special characters that define where the line, program or a function starts. First, hash. Hash is a preprocessor directive which tells the program or the compiler that this is defined in here. Like here, void or include. Hash directive. Commas. These are separating values, but they already assign, they are not separating the statement. Okay. Then curly braces, starting or ending of something, program or a function. Square brackets, usually used with arrays. Then parentheses or called round brackets. Then colon. Declaration or initialization of variables. How do you declare or initialize a variable? Same, you type a data type and then use with space you declare your variable. Data type can be integer, float, character or double. One or more variables or data types, and these variables must be separated by commas. Semicolon. Delimiters. It suggests the ending of a statement. Assigning values to another, just like these. These values are similar, are equivalent to these. Storing constants in values. You want to store a constant value in here. You can say this is constant in this data type. This A, B, C or pi is this. This will remain same throughout the program. Built-in data types or user-defined data types. Built-in data types are integer, character, real, float or void. Specific. What is integer and what is its memory? Now integer holds only 2 bytes in the memory. Long integer only 4 and its range is from here to here. This is very important. You have to remember how much memory you want to share in the system. Floating share, float data type has 4, double 8, long double 10. Okay. Character data type. It is denoted by single quotations or it ranges from 0 to 225. Double. Basically it doubles whatever the data type you are using, or usually decimal points or integer points. The void data type, as void said, it is null. Every function in C program returns a value to its original function or function out of a value. That is why we use void with main, that it should not return any value. Tokens, identifiers, keywords, constant and operators or special symbols. These are those keywords which are already defined or symbols that are already defined in C compiler. All C keywords must be written in lowercase letters because in C both uppercase and lowercase letters are significant. It means that C is very case sensitive. these are already defined. You cannot write them or reuse them. You can use them as the way they are. Identifiers should be identifiable with something underscore, special character. Modifiers, modifier, this is important. You can assign or modify a data type, its memory, less than, double or less than long from the original size. Unsigned integer, it is that integer where we cannot use or we don't want to use a negative value, only positive value is used. That is why it says unsigned. Double long, specify extended precision floating point. Alright, with these steps your this chapter is complete. Constants, variables and data types. If you have any questions, do let me know. Thank you.